Today I will share with you few facts about garlic. Garlic helps to boost up our metabolism rate, thus help us to reduce our weight easily. Garlic helps reduce atherosclerotic buildup, plaque, within the arterial system. Garlic lowers or helps to regulate blood sugar. Garlic helps to prevent blood clots from forming, thus reducing the possibility of strokes. Garlic helps to prevent cancer, especially of the digestive system, prevents certain tumors from growing larger and reduces the size of certain tumors. Garlic helps to remove heavy metals such as lead and mercury from the body. Raw garlic is a proven natural antibiotic and, while far less strong than modern antibiotics, can still kill some strains of bacteria that have become immune or resistant to modern antibiotics. Garlic dramatically reduces yeast infections in body parts. It helps to make our immune system stronger against cancer, ulcers, hemorrhoids, etc. Please like, share, comment on our video if you found it helpful and subscribe our channel for more informational videos. Thank you.